You close lah. We are both working, right? You also not playing. Right, hello YouTube. Like, see YouTube go long? I just saw that.
Yeah, but I took a half risk. Because the bearish momentum recently been a bit strong.
Yeah, I saw on the 1 hour bearish candles are a bit wicked. But the bottom is holding. You got it at a good price, I think. Okay, done. Finally, man. Sellers are not.
Did you close all or you secure some? Wow, it not.
Can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I secured 50% already and locked my stop loss. Why secure 80%, Rico? The 4 hour is very clean. Only the 1 hour has that minor support there, but even that support is not very clean. I had to force that support. It's not really there actually. But if you look at the 4 hour candle, close below, price broke it really on the 4 hour. Broke the previous 4 hour support and the previous resistance also. Broke both, so I think it's going down to 200 at least. No, I'm just gonna follow my plan. I'm not negative for the year. I'm just back at break even. So yeah, and that is like what Andy said, is emotional, yes. I gotta take the emotions out of it and follow the plan. If I take 80%, if I take 80%, right, and this thing falls to the floor, right, I'm gonna be super pissed with myself.
Then
because I didn't trust myself.
She's not capitalizing as much as possible, bro.
Yeah.
If she does that.
Yeah. That one will mess with my psychology 10 times more. I'm just gonna follow my plan. But I mean, if you want to secure 80%, just follow your own plan, yeah. Plans are personal. Because now my stop loss is locked above this. Is at BE. If you look at the 1 hour, it's above this previous support also. So if price comes back to retest this support, if the bearish momentum is still there, it should continue coming down again. So yeah, let's see how. 1 hour is forming lower highs and lower lows, so I'm just gonna leave it first. Yeah, GJ is consolidating now after it broke. But just now CPI news from the UK was negative. So I think that's why it pushed it down a bit. But price, structurally, price already broke the support. Even on the 1 hour, close below the support. So I think it's still gonna come down lower. And so far the pullbacks have been quite healthy. They've been going to like 60% plus of the candle only, which is a 61.8. They didn't even come as deep as 78. So I think this thing is still falling. Yeah, I agree with you, Simas.
Bruh. Power and Yellen up on again today.
Huh? Again?
Yeah.
Where?
At the same time as yesterday.
It's not on Forex Factory, right?
Some financial juice.
Damn.
Damn. They should start their own like sing group.
Yeah. They don't realize I have to read it. Shit, where is it? How? Today is the 24th. At least you got in go now, not later during New York. Well, go just
Yep.
consolidated, man.
Sometimes it consolidates and sometimes it push or continue to push.
Yeah, but 1740 is a... I don't know, the resistance here is still held by the seller so far.
Yeah.
The range is tightening.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, like 1733 right now, around there.
Mm. $17.33. Oh, we're talking about the CAS Act. Damn. The yesterday's meeting was also because of the CAS Act, I think, right? Janet Yellen and Powell. Yeah, it's the CAS Act. 2 days. Are they coming on again tomorrow? Let me check. No, no more. No more on Thursday. Today is the last day. Target short-term buys. Okay. Yeah, it should break below, but let me see where's your target. 148, 200. Yeah, 200 is a 4-hour support for me. This big grey box at the bottom. Sorry, daily. It's a daily support. This previous level here. So, I think price still wants to fall. On the 4-hour, price already broke its previous support on the 4-hour here. Breaking. No, other than that, the candles are clean coming down to at least 200. Just gotta give it some time. Plus the CPI didn't help. Even though it's quite dull. Previous. I actually haven't analyzed gold properly yet. Go on the daily. Broke this. Broke two supports. Do you have 1720 as a level, Alexi?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah. Last line of defense level for the buyers.
That's your FIP, is it? Who is a 61?
Oh, actually, I think. Let me double check, boy.
Sorry?
It's the. It's the bodies on the daily. So this one, wait. Because of this over here. Why my pen not draw?
Yeah, he's drawing. He's just very fine.
So I just kept it to the body.
Oh, okay. Because this wick is damn long.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if you put it here, right? Wouldn't this wick really invalidate your FIP? This one, wouldn't this wick invalidate your FIP entirely?
I didn't fib it.
Oh, you didn't FIP it. Okay.
Because this is support. It's a daily support here.
Okay.
But the wick was quite long.
Yeah, okay.
So I just kept it tight to the body. And
See
plus,
the wick.
it rejected there as well. Around the area as well.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah, so good fracture right here after second and sleep. So 8 o'clock is actually not good.
How to go and fetch my mother and his coming here?
That's why don't get it. Next time the chili bring your mother lah. Don't forget my speak the piglet here. Then you rush to bring your mother, then the piglet dinner grouchy with susah.
Support. I think there's been multiple rejections at 1720 on gold. So unless it breaks below, right, I think your long should be safe. Every time it comes into it, it rejects violently. And it's only this one candle that actually came into 1720 actually. The rest of it are still holding above. it's wicking both up and down.
Fuck.
GJ is retesting the previous 50-minute support. Injected twice, uni.
Reject humanity. Return to monkey.
What is this person talking about?
Hmm?
I don't know, it's the person that was talking in a foreign language. What the hell is a wolf wing? Or trade? Who cares?
A wolf.
No
wing.
analysis. Nobody's gonna take your trade, my friend. Zero analysis that accompanied your call. No one's gonna take the trade. My
She
YouTube
turned.
friends now inside are smarter than that.
She turned into Reno.
Hello, hello, my friends. No, it's hey there, my
Hey,
friends.
hey. No, it's hey, hey. What's up, my friend?
Ooh, chicken wings. Chicken wings would be nice. Let's see how this 4 hour closes. We've got half an hour more. The only thing I want now from GJ's, I want it to pull back. But I think only really when it reaches this support here on the 4 hour, then it'll start to pull back. This is like a big move. How much is this since yesterday? Oh my god, 200 plus. Zero retracement on the 4 hour.
It's like the last 2 days of Feb, when the candles got hella big. That's what it reminds me of.
Yeah, then after it flew.
Actually, it's also a daily 786 as well.
You were wondering if
Or
I
close.
go for impulse entries. No, I don't take impulse entries. This entry was taken on a break and retest. So yeah, Rias, you send the chart after the fact. It doesn't matter what this chart shows. I can also show my profits after I win. Sending it before will be more helpful for the group. That's why. And I don't think those that understand patterns, whatever this is, butterfly, caterpillar, I don't really care. No, if you don't understand this, nobody can trade it. Plus your chart doesn't have words. So nobody can really read your mind. Yeah, Esther, I secured on this trade already. So TP1 already hit here. I secured 50%, locked my stop loss at BE. So right now I'm watching to see if GJ can respect this support here. This grey box here is also a 4 hour zone for me. So if it wants to respect this, it could pull down again. Haven't I stopped posting in Slack already for quite a while. Oh, I wanted to send you the thing. Hang on. So I'm waiting for the 4-hour close to give me a bit more information, but right now the way this 4-hour candle is forming is not telling me to close it. Plus I'm already at BE. Worst case the runner gets stopped out at BE. So higher low, lower high and lower low so far on the 4-hour. I'm just leaving the trade. The thing about emotions is it's always there, but if you suppress it, it gets worse. Especially fear. I'm gonna send you the thing. Hang on. Ooh, look at GJ. Correcting the CPI news candle. Let's see how deep this pullback is. $61 inside the 4-hour zone. Yeah. Just tell me which is this money. I think you mean what pair is this? It's here on the screen. And if you're new, please don't trade until you have read baby pips or something. Oop, runner got stopped. Oh, okay, GG. You broke the high. Broke the previous resistance. What the hell?
Wow, is that news or something?
No, don't have. Not UK news. Just now had though. Just now was CPI. I'm not really sure why this one's weird thing like that. Could be the rejection of the 27 extension just now. There was a 1 hour support also for me. Oh, this 4 hour might close bullish of the previous 4 hour support also. Damn. Pullback time.
Yeah, it went down pretty hard.
Yeah. I'm expecting some kind of pullback because the 4 hour just straight 200 pips bearish move. No retracement at all. So let's see where the levels are. I have a 4-hour support at 149.2. Looks like that's the 50 feet also on the latest 1-hour swing down. I took his swing high to this current low here. So I'll watch around 149.2 for resistance to form to take it down. Oh, 49.089. Oh, okay. Yeah, I still think we're going down, so it's just a retracement, then will come down again. This thing is quite nasty. Put this up. Jeez. Let me see. Price came down, retrace, broke this support, retested. Yeah, since this was the retest, this is the new swing high. Let me see. Still 149.200. This is interesting level. $148.4. Yeah, I'm targeting my zones. So the bottom, these are higher time frame zones, daily and 4-hour areas already. So I'm looking at between 350 to 400 or so for my TP. So if we can come back to 149.200, this is, I'll be waiting for resistance, then come down again. So let's see. Four-hour candle's gonna close in 20 minutes. Broke daily support. Broke the range zone. I think you waited for extra confirmations on this support breaking after this retest. So if that's the case, then yeah, I think it's a good trade. Assuming that your trend line is drawn correctly, of course. Because I can't really see it. Its stop loss is super aggressive though. Yeah, but that's just me. I mean, if you waited for confirmations of the support breaking, resistance held on the retest to the trend line, then I guess this aggressive stop loss is valid. Yeah, Eden, I also don't think the retracement will be very deep, but give me a while. We're still closing below this this resistance, so we'll see. Gonna make a few plans. Okay, let me plan on the 15th. Price broke, we tested to this 15-minute support, rejected again. Don't see any news other than BOJ. It could be this news. I'm not sure because I'm not a fundamental person, but it could be this that caused the spike. Not really sure how it affects, but it's the only thing I see. But either way on GJ, this is a strong rejection from the previous level of support that was broken. Just that this one, not lower wick. So it could chop down to this support here. I actually never see the bot trader doing live stream. I think cause there's another person holding the live already, holding Zoom already. Maybe that's why. Yeah, so this current 15-minute candle needs to respect this resistance. If not, it might go up again to fill this weight. How big is the spread on XNES? That's the funding talent broker, right? If this 4-hour candle can close bearish, this thing is gonna continue down. That was some kind of stupid liquidity grab. But on the 15-minute, it also didn't close above or break these highs, but it broke the support already. Break, retest, lower. It made a lower high, lower low. This is still a lower high technically. Hasn't closed yet, but depending on how the 4-hour closes, this should continue making another lower low. Let's have a look actually. $149.6. Looking for a retrace into this area and wait for confirmation. Yeah, I want a quote-unquote healthier retracement on the 4-hour chart, but the way the momentum is coming, right, it looks like it's still very strong, so it might just make a shallow retracement before it comes down again. So I have the same levels as you, these yellow lines. I think the yellow lines are your 4-hour supports. I have the same areas, so I think for me, based on the momentum that I'm seeing now, I think GJ might come down first to this area of support that you have, and then maybe then you'll go up for that retracement. Because now it's kind of in the middle of nowhere, I think. Needs to reach the final destination, I think, this support here. At least tap it for liquidity. That's my thoughts. Sell below 583. I think if you're taking it like that, is a John, I think you're thinking about impulse and impulse sales, right? Down here. So if it's impulse sales, then yes, it has to be below this support. But for me, I'm watching to see this rejection here on the 15th. If it forms a resistance, it will hold my fib level nicely. So I prefer to sell higher, come down, take some off here, and then go down further. But that's me. But if you're taking impulse sales, then this is the area to look out for it. I think our candle close break the low. Oh. A 30-minute chart. Break the low. Are you a breakout trader, John? Oh, okay. If you trade exactly the same as Raja, then yeah, makes sense. Sell when he breaks the low. How many strategies have I tried? I traded with indicators before. I actually don't know how many. I didn't count, but I've used indicators, EMAs, blocks, all the blocks and shit. Yeah, I think a lot. A lot, I think. Too many to count. Wow, Andy, look at this rejection. Nasty. Filled the wick, reject. Damn. Still closing lower high. Mr. W. Like that. Yes, I got it. Yeah, this thing closes lower 4 hours should also close bearish. Yep, already flipped already. This thing is coming down. Yeah, 4 hour close weak bearish. So I expect some consolidation first. Then nearer to pre-New York, it will start pushing again. So just chill. Right now, there's no entry yet anyway, because there's no new resistance form on the 15th for me. I like this lower high. Just want to see if this minor support can be broken. Then retest, come down. It should still fall. Whereas I was being sarcastic. Because this 1 hour candle here, I'm not touching GJ for the time being, because this current 1 hour candle on the 4 hour close broke the low, broke the high. This to me is a consolidation candle. So I'm just gonna wait for the proper signals nearer to pre-New York. $148. $8.50. $148.858. Yeah, so far it's been on the 30-minute is 1, 2, 3. This one's still rejecting. So if it can still hold this price, maybe you'll get your sales. You never know, Eden. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Aiden, I know what you mean, man. That's why I'm watching. Every time the price reaches, for me, I'm being a bit more careful now. Like every time price reaches a key area for me, like 1 hour for our daily zone, right? I start to pay attention to how the candles are reacting. What's this, Andy? Oh. Is it this? Yeah. Daily swing. Why would you not flip from... Because this is pull back, retest, retrace, right? Not here? It's low to here. Daily candle yesterday. Oh, this is the 1 hour. Okay, sorry. My bad. I thought that was the daily. $158.72. Oh, that's the high to low is the daily candle. 149.08. Oh, okay. It's the entire daily candle. I think there's a lot of areas at that 27 extension that you have. First, I have this support. Like price is not very clean here, but break retest. This is some kind of support here. So I think that's why the reaction also. This person looks a bit mad. Ooh. GG is really coming up now. Let's see, 149, 200. Lexi, your gold trade looking good. Your gold trade is looking nice. Where was your stop? Oh, he cannot hear me. Was that one? Below this.
My stop was over. Wait, let me see exact price. It was at 1726,996.
Ooh. Or below. Wait, was this your entry? This candle here?
My entry was
Not on the 15, right? On the 1 hour, is it?
no, it was on the 15.
Oh. So was it this?
Yeah,
This one?
it was the one that closed bearish after the 15 closed bullish. It was on the flip, but spread got me in a bit higher.
Oh.
So I was just chilling and drew down, but didn't hit stop. So
Oh, you entered after this candle closed. This one closed, then this one flipped. You entered, then it closed bearish.
yeah, then I was like, fuck. I'm gonna have to sit here for a while.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you look at this candle, right, even though it closed bearish, it held the support.
And it broke
Yeah.
the high.
Yeah, and it broke the high, so just stuck for a while.
I was thinking, wait, go back.
Like this. It's still the same chart, bruh.
When this one was starting to close, like the body engulfing the previous, it was starting to worry me, and then it closed bearish, like a doji. And
Then
it
you're
closed
like,
bullish from my broke even. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna leave it.
yeah. It's still making higher highs and lows. If you look at the candle. Yeah. All the way. After this, it's still higher highs, higher lows. Just that all of it was doji. Stupid
Yeah.
dojis. Now, Andy. 30-minute close. It's UK PMI. Yeah. Aiden, I saw that also, I just didn't want to say anything. Maybe he has his own plan. Downtrend has ended. What's the result? Ooh. Everything's better. Fly, GG! Fly! Looks like it's better.
Oh my god, buy GG, big candle.
Big candle.
Bounce off a daily 786 to the T almost.
Mm. Minute broke all the support also. Oh, it's at my 4 hour zone now. If it breaks this, might get it going all the way back up. But there's a lot of major zones to break on the way down, on the way up, sorry. Angela, do you manage to secure a trade just now? Pepperstone has a gap on the 15-minute. Yes, it does. Sometimes when news pops, sometimes it will have a little gap. Which is why, if you're not in a trade before news, don't touch. Or at least put your stops at BE to protect the trade. I'm done with my GJ trade, Peter. I already took profits already. I'm waiting to see if I can get another entry. If not, one trade. Have I ever looked into the concept of order blocks and market imbalance? Yes, I traded it before. I don't like it. Not for me. the same thing though. Order block, supply demand, same thing. Just different names, my opinion.
You want orange?
Forex trading of currencies is boring, very low profits, crypto is better. Yeah, crypto is more speculative, right? To each their own. Everybody can win on different asset classes. Airborne, could you have entered on the low? Like, were you selling a low, that's why it flipped and then went up? Yeah, Dale, my 2 cents, if you had a bias, longs, continue in that trend. If you flip up and down, right, your account is gonna get hit. So, that's just my 2 cents. This thing is clearly bullish, there are no sells. This candle here is a trick. It closed within the previous bullish candle. This is not sells. And I don't think you took it on the close anyway, because you were in before that. Yeah, Airborne, you wanna show your trade? Maybe I can try and help you. What was the trade I took earlier here? On this area here, this previous 15 minutes support broke, price came back, retested. I took this retest. Here, stop loss above the 1 hour high. Came down, secured some. And then the rest got stopped at BE when the price came back. When do I know that my strategy is not working or is not effective in this market? To be honest, Wes, based on my own backtesting, right, the only thing that makes my strategy not work is when I went to mess with it. I went to fine tune it and then I mess things up. Other than that, the strategy usually works. So that's why I just stuck with it. With my strategy, I don't expect very, very big profits, but it's like I want a gradual climb rather than a sharp upturn. So if I don't try to finesse my strategy, usually it's fine. I actually am of the view that every strategy works. The only thing that messes it up is us. We just gotta stick with it. Every strategy will have its losing streaks. No, no, no. I'm gonna keep talking. La 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 la. No, damn it. Yeah, I'm waiting to sell this. Let's see. JJ is rejecting my 1 hour 61 4 hour zone. Yummy yummy. I think Aiden deserves to be mod too. Hammer time!
This month, so his name was like Japanese. Let me speak in 2 languages. Damn, Aiden.
The thing is, I don't think the person is Japanese.
Yeah. Might just be his name.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
But that's why he went bilingual. I want to
No,
read what
no,
that
you know what
means.
his name is? His name is the guy who
The
who
candlesticks
made-
guy, right?
No, the guy who made Bitcoin.
Oh, okay. Damn, then he's definitely not Japanese then.
That's his even with that name is a fake name. They say it's pseudonymous.
Mm.
Yeah, Gigi has bipolar disorder.
Satoshi Nakamoto. GCAT looks like it's hitting a resistance at M15 for a sell down. You wanna show me your resistance, Pochon? Because I don't trade it. Don't know which resistance you might have drawn up. How do I draw my feet? For me, yeah, on the impulsive move, yes. So we have to break a structure. So this one is my 4-hour zone here, right? This structure broke the 4-hour zone, so high, low. So I didn't draw this one. This one was a bit confusing for me at first, but the way I see is price came down, retraced, broke structure, broke this support. So this was the next swing for me. Yeah. But most of the strategies have a profitable RR, right? Or they just have a higher win rate. If let's say it's a scalping strategy. I think the basis is if the win rate is positive, let's say minimally 1:2, and your, sorry, not win rate, the RR is around 1:2, average you can be like what, 40% right, and then you still be profitable. So obviously it has to be positive. But my rationale is, I think the way I see is people don't give the strategies enough time to work. Because once they hit a losing streak, then they try to jump to another strategy. And that's why you don't really see the actual results, I think. UJ form lower high, rejected my 61, rejected my 4-hour. Engulf the previous candle also. I'm considering shots on this 15-minute flip. Because he has 3 confluences for sells for me. Bearish engulfing, rejected 4-hour zone, rejected my 1-hour 61. Yeah, I'll take it smaller because I want to use only the profits on just now.
Do you feel bad? I dare you to take a full risk.
No, the one. I'll just use my profits on just now.
Damn, that's actually a nice rejection. What the fuck?
Yeah, but only if this candle can flip. That's why I'm not in yet. I need to see this candle. If it wants to hold, it needs to respect the resistance. Because this is technically, It's slightly lower, but it is a lower high. So let's see if it can flip down for me.
Previous 4 session.
Oh, swimmers, you think longs?
Fuck. Wow, bro, I'm so unfit.
Oh, it is a 200 MA. Okay. I don't have a MA. 200 MA. A bit scary. Ooh, bro. Okay, let's see if we can hold this resistance. What's this? Oh, it's sitting right on the MA. Crap. But then again, I don't use MA. But the last time I took my trades like this, which means TP has to be at the 4-hour zone. Can't play with it. Can't go beyond it.
Hmm. $149.72.
But you must buy this on what time frame though? Yeah, yes, that's why I'm waiting. Because I think it might pull. As long as it doesn't break this wick high, right? Sales are still valid to me. So I'm just letting it. Maybe it's trying to tap into the zone again for liquidity. My stop loss will be above this previous high. So it's quite big, it's at 20 plus. If it flips bearish. Yeah, the 4-hour EMA is quite away. It's below here, this support. I'm planning to short to this area. To the 4-hour zone. I'm taking it zone to zone. It's cleaner. Anything beyond that is bonus. So for me, I saw just now, based on... This is an EMA, so SMA could be different. Will I consider buys if the daily flips bullish on GJ? No. It's very late. Buys now is... I need to see how the daily closes. So this candle rejecting like that, it doesn't... Like, it has to I won't consider higher time frame buys yet. If I want to buy, I want to buy around 148, 200. $149.95. $149.90. Yeah, I have a daily support here. I don't know if you have it also. If price goes back up here, like today, right? I don't know if I take another trade now, I probably won't fire again. This thing I will let the daily candle close first, tell me it's bullish, then I'll start looking for longs again. But yeah, I agree, it has to break these highs, retest, then I will consider buying it to this level, 151. Ito.
On today's episode of Saved by the No Flip.
Saved by the no flip. It hasn't broke the high.
Yeah.
We still have a
But it
chance.
broke
GG
the
is
low and
funny.
it
Yeah,
broke the illness off in the body,
Yeah.
which is a concerning thing. The previous 4 hour was indecision, then this 4 hour just push stop.
Which broker am I using? I think I said it. Razor is the type of account. It's all in the YouTube description. Wow, Alexi, your gold trade broke resistance already. Moon!
Yeah.
Yeah, compare first, yeah, Jay. I'm not promoting or advocating any brokers. Just go and compare. The links are there. I'm not affiliated with anybody. Oh, 15-minute close within the previous candle. Ranging.
Sorry, I need to clear my throat. When I don't clear my throat, I make funny sounds. It's like the sounds Andy makes when he don't clear his nose.
You don't have sinusitis, you cannot.
I don't have sinusitis, I have throat cellitis.
You are a glowing man.
Huh? Oh.
You...
Oh yeah. Whoops. Bro, EA bounced off of my 50. What?
This hourly close didn't break the previous resistance. GJ is confusing now.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Never mind, I'm gonna go eat dinner first. So, bye bye YouTube. I will see you all tomorrow.
I don't recall us.
Waiting room time. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat. Bye bye YouTube, trade safe.
Wait, you say you're gonna go sleep?
I'm gonna go eat.
Damn, can't hear.
Yeah, I just you're old. I need to give this some time. If I stare at it, I'm gonna make some rash decisions. So I'm gonna go eat first.
Go clear head.
Pepperstone is offering you commissionless transaction. I want commissionless. Aiden, hook me up. Andy, you are fat. I exercised today.